Dear viewers, now discuss the some question answer of chemical reaction based on ICSE class 8. At first, write T for true and F for false. Decomposition of calcium carbonate is an example of endothermic reaction. It is true. Next, when metal sulfate are heated at high temperature, its oily metal oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. It is true. Next part, copper cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution. It is true. Next, zinc oxide exhibits both acidic and basic property. That is true. Next, carbon monoxide is an example of amphoteric oxide. True. Precipitation reaction produce insoluble salt. True. Reaction of sodium chloride solution with silver nitrate solution is an example of decomposition reaction. That is false. Aluminum oxide Al2O3 is an example of neutral oxide. True. Magnesium oxide is obtained from the decomposition of magnesium sulfate. False. The products of a neutralization reaction are salt and water. True. Next word, fill in the blanks. The reaction in which heat energy is released is known as dash reaction, exothermic reaction. Okay. A reaction in which a single substance split to give two or more substance is called dash reaction, decomposition reaction. 3. The oxide that exhibit both acidic and basic characteristics are called dash oxide, amphoteric oxide. 4. Decomposition reaction that occurs in that presence of light is known as photolysis. Next, displacement reaction are also called dash reaction, substitution reaction. Next part, choose the correct answer for each of the following. Number 1, the following reaction is an example of Fe2O3 ferric oxide plus aluminium 2Al product aluminum oxide Al2O3 plus iron 2Fe. The type of reaction: option combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction. The answer option 1, combination reaction. Okay, option 1. Okay. Next question, the following reaction is an example of NH3 ammonia plus HCl hydrochloric acid from ammonium chloride NH4Cl. The type of reaction: double displacement reaction, combination reaction, decomposition reaction. This is the option 3, that is combination reaction. Okay. Next, which among the following is the most reactive metal? Sodium, potassium, gold and silver. Option 2, that is potassium, is the right answer, the most reactive metal. Okay. Question 4, which of the following statement is true about the basic oxide? They are salt with bases. They turn blue litmus to red. Carbon dioxide is an example of basic oxide. They turn red litmus to blue. Option 3, carbon dioxide is an example of basic oxide. Question number 5. Which of these following is an example of endothermic reaction? Burning of oils, dissolution of ammonium chloride in water, rusting and respiration. Option 2, dissolution of ammonium chloride in water is the right answer. Okay. Next term, define the following term. At first, electrolysis. Decomposition reaction that require energy in the form of electricity are known as electric decomposition reaction. These reactions are known as electrolysis. For example, when the electric current is passed through water, the decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. That is 2H2O electrolytic current through the product formation, water decompose from the two part, that is form of hydrogen and oxygen, that is the gas, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Next part, neutralization reaction, a type of double displacement reaction in which an acid react with a base, resulting in the formation of salt and water, is called a neutralization reaction. For example, when a sodium hydroxide solution, that is base, react with dilute hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride salt and water are formed. That is, you may write NaOH aqueous plus HCl aqueous form salt NaCl and water H2O. Reactivity series, the arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity is called the reactivity series of metals. The metals placed higher in the reactivity series are more reactive than those placed below them. Next word, amphoteric oxide. These are compound of oxygen which exhibit both acid and basic characteristics. For example, zinc oxide ZnO react with hydrochloric acid HCl from zinc chloride ZnCl2 and water H2O. It is basic nature, and zinc oxide also react with sodium hydroxide NaOH from sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 and water H2O. It is acidic nature. That is, the two types of the reaction, at first Zn plus 2HCl from ZnCl2 plus H2O. This is the acid part. Next, basic part, ZnO plus 2NaOH from sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus H2O. This reaction in balance. Next part, endothermic reactions. Chemical reaction in which heat energy is absorbed from the surrounding are called endothermic reaction. Okay, endothermic reaction. For example, when the carbon and sulfur are heated together, carbon disulfide is formed, that is C plus 2S plus heat from CS2 sulfur di, okay, that is the carbon disulfide CS2. Next question, identify the types of chemical reaction. First part, Fe plus, that is iron, CuSO4, that is copper sulfate from ferrous sulfate FeSO4 plus copper Cu. Displacement reaction. Okay. Sodium react with chlorine from sodium chloride, the balancing 2Na plus Cl2 equal to 2 NaCl. This type of the reaction, combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction. Next part, question number 3, calcium carbonate heated from calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, heated. Okay, the type of the reaction, decomposition reaction. Okay, question number 4, barium chloride BaCl2 sodium sulfate Na2SO4 product formation barium sulfate BaSO4 plus for the balance 2 NaCl. The type of the reaction, double displacement reaction. Okay, next part, what is the exothermic reaction? Give the example. Chemical reaction which heat energy is liberated are called the exothermic reaction, that is the increasing the temperature in the reaction. For example, when the carbon burn in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed along with the generation of heat, that is C plus O2 equal to, that is product formation of carbon dioxide and heat. Okay, next part, give the example of following oxide: acidic oxide, basic oxide, amphoteric oxide and neutral oxide. At first, acidic oxide example of sulfur dioxide SO2, basic oxide calcium oxide CaO, amphoteric oxide zinc oxide ZnO, neutral oxide carbon monoxide CO. Okay, thank you my dear viewers.